Right out of the gate, the judge is not playing around. Skipping court isn't just a bad look, it's basically begging the system to treat you as a flight risk. And 3 times? That's legal suicide.
You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get...
Should the judge give this high schooler another shot? Or is she right to lock him down? Drop your take, comments, leniency, or tough love.
That you're in high school. But the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? What? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason. We do court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
We accepted the PTI. The states said they would still accept the PTI.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out. I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
you set your bond at $10,000, so you need to post it.
Notice how the judge isn't letting him off with excuses. In criminal law, I forgot, or I didn't know doesn't fly. You're responsible for showing up, period. That's why courts hammer the phrase failure to appear.
Well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
I don't recall leaving 3 times.
You have a criminal case. You know that you are supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
Oh, you don't do it to yourself yourself. This ain't the place where you ask questions, okay? All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Bonding company's attempting to get the case reinstated and or a new bond set for them. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him of the May setting.
All of the sort. It's not your fault.
I do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay, but we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay.
If I may.
Sure.
He did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates just because I couldn't. The phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Schofield.
I understand.
You know, behavior has consequences. And now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you.
Boom. Did you catch that? The judge basically says, I'll be your dad now. Ankle monitor, curfew, drug tests, it's like parole before the trial even starts. That's how serious repeated no-shows get.
I'm not out for blood. But I want him to understand that we mean business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk. And I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we mean business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling him. And it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow, if he's unable to make bond, We can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set it for review for
He's
tomorrow?
going to come back tomorrow regardless because they auto-populate.
Okay.
Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody, they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow about, because I'm not going to let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on his record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we mean business and we're not playing to games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that. But I'm going to tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor, curfew, and I'm going to drug test him. And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
This just went off the rails. The defendant's talking about 10,000 deals, 8 apartments, and fleeing to Tokyo. At this point, the courtroom feels less like law and more like reality TV.
What are you doing with yourself these days?
Looking for a job, but they don't want to hire me, but not really.
Tell me, what is the last time what have you done to look for a job?
What have I done?
Yes.
I went to the internet. I told my sister to go through the stuff. They only hire firefighters.
Why you tell your sister to do it?
But I'm really not good at that.
I don't think he really understands.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. Well, she's not really my friend, but she told me she could try to help me out. Cooking wings. That was my last resort.
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? We've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day?
That right there is the final warning. Judges give conditions like don't go back to Target or the mall. For a reason, it's basically the last chance. Violate it and you're done. No more bonds. Straight to jail.
If I drug test you now, what's going to show up?
I came up clean already, sir.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Gallindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you take off from me. I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat. How's jail? Well, when you don't take off, what happens? We're not asking for much. All we want you to do is show up. And
Judge, wait, can I speak?
No,
no, don't.
I got you.
I just showed up.
She showed up, Judge, it's a new case that brought her back. It was a new case filing for.
Oh, she picked up a robbery.
Yeah,
That's right.
and that's what we said.
Okay, my fault, my
You're
fault.
good. She has shown up and her bonds are posted, so as soon as she goes back,
I don't know if this is better.
no, it's not, but
Picked up a robbery.
No, but
Don't say no. Look,
I got you.
look, Ms. Visor, just be nice. It's not hard. That's all we're asking. If you pick up any new cases, holy moly, I'm going to lose it. Don't pick up any new cases. You've made bond again now. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't go to any Target and don't go back to Memorial City Mall. I'm making that a condition of your bond. Do you understand? If you go back to one of these 2 places, the bond goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay? That's all I'm asking. And be nice. You have a lawyer. Stay in contact with the lawyer. They will tell you when you have to come back to court. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're taking off, no more bonds. I'm going to revoke it and I'm going to raise it up. Do you have any questions?
no, sir.
Okay. You're on the robbery case as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can give you the same date as that robbery case as well.
That's not
And then,
I got it.
yeah, this case isn't too old. So, okay, ma'am.
And her bonds are posted. She's getting cut out as soon as she gets back, so.
Okay. All right, Ms. Visor, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.